Greetings and welcome to the Multi-Store Addons for WooCommerce plugin. In this video, I'll show you how you can link a POS system with Multi-Store Addons for WooCommerce and how you can use it to manage product prices and stock. So let's get started. So here we have a POS plugin called VPOS, and this is linked to our Multi-Store Addons for WooCommerce account. So if we head over to WordPress, you can see that VPOS is installed over here. Let's head over to outlets first. So in this section, you can create new outlets, and you can also add a new counter and new cashier using these buttons over here. So now let's link this outlet to one of our store locations. So for that, let's head over to Agile Store Locator and click on Manage Stores. So now let's choose a store location and link our outlet to it. For example, let's click on this store over here. And once we are here, we will scroll down to the WooCommerce tab here. And using this menu here, we will select an outlet and click on Update Store. So now we have linked this outlet to this store. So the inventory of this store will be used for this particular outlet. That includes pricing and stock as well. So once that is done, let's head back to VPOS plugin and click on the View POS button over here, and then we will be directly taken to this dashboard over here. Once again, we will click on View POS and we will be taken to this login screen. Let's select the outlet which we just created in the previous section and the counter as well, and click on Go to POS, and this will take us to the POS interface. So the products you see here are the same products that are present in the store location that we saw earlier. Let's just take a look at it. So here is the store location that is linked to our outlet, and as you can see, it has the same number of products. Let's head back to the POS interface. So now let's change the prices of some of these products using the central stock feature of Multi-Store Addons for WooCommerce. To change the prices, we will first head over to the central stock section, but before that, let's head over to Agile Store Locator first and go to the WooCommerce section here. And over here on the global tab, make sure that the store visibility is set to product store and click on Save Settings over here. Next, go to the inventory tab and make sure that the inventory module is enabled. If it's not, enable it and click on Save Settings. Once these two options have been enabled, we can proceed. So let's head over to the central stock section. Now we'll locate the items that we want to change the price for. So let's locate the first product first. It was this one here. Let's click on this button here, and we'll select the correct store location and click on Update. Now let's make the changes to the stock and prices. Click on Update, and we'll do the same for the rest of the product as well. Once again, be sure to select the correct store location and click on Update next to it. And let's make the changes to the stock quantity and the prices. And click on Update once you're done. Let's do it for one more product. It was at this store location. Go ahead and click on Update. And click on Update once again. So once the changes have been done, let's head back to the POS interface. Once you're back at the POS interface, just refresh the page. And you can see that the prices for these three products have been updated according to what we made in the central stock section. Now you can add these products to the checkout panel. and complete the transaction by clicking on Pay Now. Once you're here, enter a value amount and click on Process Payment. You can also print a receipt from this button over here. And you can also view the transaction details from the order section of WooCommerce. Let's head there now. So once we're back on WordPress, we can go to the WooCommerce section here and click on Orders. And here's the transaction that just happened a few moments ago. Click on it to view the details. So here you can see the order details or the transaction details, which includes the store from where the products were brought from, as well as what type of products were brought. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.